You've ground down all the rust on your box side. Now what do you do with it? Well, here's what you do. You get a rust converter that works really well, and we are going to show that rust converter here today. That rust converter is Black Star. You can get this stuff off of Amazon. Guys, I recommend it if you're doing any project like this where you're trying to remove rust on a box side or lower rocker panels or cab corners. This stuff will work to convert the rust that's there. It will not act as a primer, guys. This isn't a primer. It isn't a sealer. It's a converter. So it converts this to a primed panel once this dries. Allow up to 48 hours or 24 hours for this to cure and set before you put anything on the top of it. What that does is it locks it in and gets it ready for the next step. You might ask, what is the next step? Well, the next step is to seal this panel off so moisture can't even get to this panel. If we left it like this, any spot that had the bare metal showing that wasn't the black will start rusting because this is open metal. What we're going to do is we're going to smear a urethane on it. We're going to use Bondo scrapers and we're going to put this urethane on it. That will be the next video, guys. When we put that urethane on there, it will actually seal that panel off so that air and moisture can't get to that panel, because that's what causes rust. A buildup of debris along with moisture getting in there. That moisture doesn't get out. It stays in there, so it stays wet, causing the rust. And once it starts, it likes to spread. So it just keeps eating until we put a stop to it. And we did that by running the grinder on it, removing any bubbled rust. Then we hit it with this stuff and basically cut off the rust supply that was there. You can see how bad the front of this was already. Once we get all this done, we're going to put our patch panel in here. We've got another one to do on the driver's side. Once we put our patch panels in and get this seam sealed, we will be ready to start putting a bed liner on this part. Now, you could paint it if you're really good with the putting the urethane on, and you can get a nice even coat to where it looks perfectly smooth with the flush level paint. You could paint this box side where you did the repair. Unfortunately, you're still going to see it, so my way of fixing it is to use a bed liner that's going to hide behind my fender flare. That one's for the driver's side, but the passenger one is in the box over there. Once we get that done, this box side will be completed. We've got a few more steps to do, guys, so you guys are not going to want to miss what we're doing. And make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And remember, guys, this stuff is just nuts and bolts. Anyone can do this stuff in your own garage. I'll see you on the next one.